Hey, buddy.
Yeah, see you tomorrow.
Buddy, let's cook the chicken. You ain't got no Atlanta Falcons back there?
I don't know what the fuck is
Who's 2 Chainz? Go 49ers.
Yeah. You know this shit just entertainment, right? Hey, Chainz. You know I fuck with you, nigga. But I couldn't just let you come in the city and do that halftime show and send that tweet out about us, though, nigga. Yeah. First thing first, let me learn you something. How you say you got that fire, you ain't burning nothing. Look like to me, you niggas on that sucker shit. A bunch of pussy cheerleading, always sucking dicks. Where your pom-poms at, you little hoe niggas? We ain't you niggas quick with this slow nickel. You talking 2 Chainz, I'm talking 6 rings. That's the real definition of that night gang. See, that's the problem with my city on that punk shit. That's why y'all going to Santa Clara with that bunk shit. Shout out to Michael Crab, we fuck with Kaepernick. The franchise shit have been cut, Alex Smith. I'm just being real, I'm a true, not a fan. Ready to go, big parade by the Bill Graham. But back to them dirty birds that y'all think sick. Fuck with us and mess around and get your wings clipped. You all on Twitter with it, acting like the nigga with it. Ask Buck, we'll rob you in a Frisco minute. Until you bandwagon niggas trying to jump on. Take that 9 gear off and get the fuck on. See, I been cool until I see your little tweet, homie. You was just a Niner fan last week, homie. But I ain't mad at you cause I know it's business though. Today's Sunday, nigga, and we killed you. You a Falcon, you ain't never been a city boy. So stay sucking on something, little titty boy. San Fran, nigga, yeah, I'm different. We stay cooking birds, churches, chicken. Cook, nigga. Cook, nigga. I say cook. Chop a nigga head off, nobody. 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 Chop a nigga head off, nobody. We win it, yeah, we win it. We win it. We win it, yeah, we win it. True. We win it, yeah, we win it. Yeah. We cook you dirty birds, nigga, church chicken. What you say, nigga? We done cooked you dirty birds, nigga, church chicken, church chicken. Man, what the fuck you just say, nigga? We done cooked you dirty birds, bitch, you need a biscuit. Hey, nigga, Super Bowl time, nigga. We at the Superdome, nigga. Nigga, San Fran, nigga, the Baltimore Ravens, and we about to cook them birds too, nigga. I can't believe us, nigga. It's a hardball thing, and I ain't talking about John, nigga. Jimmy, nobody got it better than us. What you say? Got it better than us. What you say? What you say? Got it better than us. Like what? Nobody got it better than us, bitch. The World Series, nigga, in the Super Bowl, nigga. Like Frisco, nigga, stand the fuck up. Valley City. Oh. We done cooked you dirty birds, nigga, church's chicken. Bow. We done cooked you dirty birds, bitch, you need a biscuit. Hey, let me get some coleslaw with that too. Yeah, nigga, hook that shit up, nigga. Stop being stingy, nigga. Nigga, I'm trying to eat too, nigga.